Adding or removing app shortcuts to the edge panels on the Galaxy S24 allows you to quickly access your most used apps with a simple swipe from the screen's edge, enhancing convenience and productivity. This is how it's done. First, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top to open the Quick Settings panel. Then tap the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Display. Next, scroll further down and tap on Edge Panels. Here, tap on Panels. Make sure the Apps panel is selected so you can customize it. Then, tap the Edit button at the bottom. On the right side, you'll see the current shortcuts in the Apps panel. To remove an app shortcut, simply tap the minus icon next to it. To add a new app shortcut, select an app from the list on the left-hand side. Scroll through the list, find the app you want, and tap it to add it to the Apps panel on the right. Once you've made your changes, tap the back key or the Home button to return to the home screen. Now, to access the updated Edge panels, swipe in from the edge of the screen. You'll see all the app shortcuts you've added. And that's it. You now know how to add and remove app shortcuts in the Edge panels on your Galaxy S24 for faster app access. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips.